Okay, so today is May 30. It's the end of May already. As we already know, May is Design Month for Topcoder, and we are calling it Jobless Design Month. Jablo was a great designer. He was a dear friend for us. He was really representing the Topcoder members' spirit. He was always helping the newbies. He was advocating for the platforms and for the members. He was really a very nice person and a dear friend to us. And this month is coming to an end, and we're going to wrap it up with an event for our members. And it's the Freelancer Fair event. We are going to have guests for this event, both from our community as well as external guests. And it's going to have a bunch of cool stuff. It looks like I have just joined for testing before. Let me show my link here in the chat. Hold on.
Nice wallpaper, like it.
Yeah, sorry about this. Slack is moving things. I mean, Zoom is moving things all over the place when presenting. And that's why it was separate windows. So yeah, let me share my links. Here is the link to the event to check it out. Yeah. And we have a couple of things here. For example, Rio, one of our veteran designers, he's going to tell us how he started his NFT project. He basically designed a couple of NFT cards and he put them out for sale there on the market. Then we're also going to have a panel discussion with Yoki, Surya, and Daviv, which will be moderated by Lynn, our Topcoder UX designer. And this is going to be about how to start your own freelance business as a designer and how they moved from being a Topcoder designer to having their own business. This is going to be very interesting. It's like for 1 hour it's lasting. We can also ask questions and it'll be interactive and that fun. Next, we'll have Safety Wing presenting us the advantages of having a health insurance through them and how Topcoder members can do this and what are the benefits, the packages there, and all the details you need to know. In addition to this, Alex Shakespeare, who is in the Topcoder UX team now, is going to present us the new design system they created. All of our designs are going to be based in the future on the design system the UX team has created. And if you're a designer and competing in those challenges, it's definitely an advantage to start learning it earlier so you can win more. Next, we're going to have a session with Lily Fogel. She is giving great advices on how to nail interview questions. And we had her on a couple of other events for Freelancer Fair. The insights she has are always very helpful and she knows how to tackle those interviews. She prepares people in that domain. And now she's going to come and be focused on designers getting interviewed and how the portfolio examples are helping them make a point in the live interview. And last but not least, we're going to have a use case presented. We are inviting a customer with Steve Ambrose. He's the CEO of Appetite. And he's going to tell us how was his experience with Topcoder based on the project that he had run with Fajar and the design community. We're also going to have someone from sales, Russ Trottier, who's going to host the session as well. And this event is going to be tomorrow, so definitely register for it, even if you're not a designer. It's going to be a lot of insightful content for it. And if you have any questions about it, just let me know. Okay,
how
now
can
I have
register?
Sorry.
How can register?
You
the
can.
link in the chat?
Yeah, just click the link on the chat.
Okay, thank you.
And yeah, you'll need an account on welcome and then just register. Okay, and next we have a Topcoder Nation show, and this is hosted by Luis, who is actually here in our call, and I'm going to let him talk a bit about it. Luis, can you please chat about it?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Daniela. Well, the Topcoder Nation show is another initiative where we bring community and staff members to learn from their journeys, how they got successful, or what they're doing what they're doing in the platform that calls our attention. And we try to decompose their stories and see what we can learn and extract from the particular journeys, and probably use them in our advantage and in our particular journeys. And on this occasion, we have Code Abby, who is a pretty interesting young man from West Africa, who is doing great things in there. He has co-founded several entrepreneurship adventures, mostly in the shipping and products logistics market. And he's competing at Topcoder, and he's doing something else that made him shine as a shining star in the last month. If you saw the newsletter, he's helping Robinson building a community in Africa, and he's helping people learn about how to get gigs at Topcoder, how to compete, and helping developers shape out their careers, so they can also have an opportunity in this technology world that we're living in. So it's going to be a very interesting, fun conversation with him. And one of the cool things of the Topcoder Nation show is that it has a 30-minute segment where you can ask him anything. And there's a form link I'm going to share in a moment when I find it, where you can ask him anything you want. So he can reply your questions. Probably if you're in Africa, or maybe if you're not in Africa, just he can help you with things like how to build a community, or probably about his passion about data science, Python, and or how he copes with dealing with competition, and also co-founding projects, because he's pretty active as an entrepreneur. So it's going to be a very interesting ride with him. Yeah, Daniela shared the link. Thank you. That's where you can ask him the questions, and also register for the show.
Awesome. So sounds like an interesting webinar, Liz.
Yeah, pretty excited about it.
Yeah. All right, moving forward, we have a Hangout Friday 7. So we just had a Hangout Friday 6 this past weekend. Usually Hangout Fridays are these informal events where we just socialize and play games, have fun, we win prizes. We run different games, like Luis and I are hosting this event. In this Friday, we ran a Pictionary challenge, a Pictionary game. We had many staff members, we had members and other community members as well. It was lots of fun, definitely. And other times we are also playing Type Racer, or we are playing trivia. If you have other ideas for games, we can always change them and make it more interactive. But it's think about like an in-person meeting, just not work related, just for fun and socializing. So this one is on June 24th. It's usually on the last Friday of every month. So don't forget to check this out as well. I think I don't have the link. Yeah, let me share the link from here. You can add it to your calendar so it gets saved.
Yeah, I want to register already.
Okay, and next on the list is Topcoder Skill Builder Challenges. This month you're running the Skill Builder to build your Microsoft Power Apps skills. Next month, I heard from someone that you're going to have a Skill Builder for data scientists based on Python. Now, what are the Skill Builder challenges? They are challenges where you can learn a new skill. They usually consist of 4 challenges. There is a main challenge, which is like this one. This is the host challenge for this competition, for example. And this one has all the details you need to know about the competition. It's like an overall view of it, like the resources, specifications, any demo videos, prizes. And then you have, in addition to instructions, you have the 3 challenges. They are easy, medium, and hard, where you should go and do them, complete them step by step. And each of these are going to have instructions and guidelines to help you achieve the target that is asked in that competition. Now, the good part about these skill builder challenges is that once you complete them, you will get the badge on your profile. And then with that badge, your profile is going to be shown on the gig opportunities. So when a customer is coming and they are looking for members that have these skills, your profile is going to show there, because it has that badge. If there are any skills that you might be interested to see a Topcoder, feel free to message us or on Discord or email us about what skill you would like to see, and we are definitely going to make that happen. Let me share my email here. All right, what's next? We have a Crowd for Good challenge. So for those of you that don't know, Crowd for Good is Topcoder's initiative for philanthropic projects. Basically, we are running these challenges which have low prizes or no prizes for a good humanitarian cause, either helping people from third world countries that have like a poor living, either for helping in various diseases, or for sure it's like a noble cause. And Topcoder had this initiative to run this campaign for the cancer challenges. So it's going to be a long-term project, and we'd like to see advancements in the field of cancer from our data science community. Now, the first challenge that we are running is basically to get a sense of what the community can do. What is the participation? What is going to be the performances, the quality of reports they are going to send, just to estimate how these challenges are going to work. And we also have an ideation challenge in parallel, where we are looking to see what sort of incentives are going to work for our members to participate in these competitions. I've just shared the link with you in the chat, so check this one out if you are interested in it. All right, now it's time for top gigs this week. So gig work at Topcoder is basically a one-way working with the customer. So the members are working directly with the customer one-on-one through Topcoder. And to find gig challenges, gig competitions at Topcoder, you just have to go to community, compete, gig work, and then you can see a list of gigs that we have open. You can search by any of them. You can filter by location and as well sort by. Now, this week we have a couple of gigs. These are Power Apps developer. This one is from any location and it lasts for 17 weeks. And you need to have these skills: Power App, Power Automate, Dataverse, and Power Apps portal. Now, if you want to apply for a gig, always make sure you have the required skill and that your experience fits what's asked here in the description. If you have a friend who might be interested in this, you can refer him using this box. And if your friend gets placed in the gig, you're going to earn $500. Next, you also have a performance test engineer gig. This one is as well from any location. It's a shorter one for 1 week only. It's a full time. And you need to have AWS performance QA and load runner skills. Yeah, you're going to do load testing, stress testing, and other QA testings and based on performance and stuff. Another gig we have is the Cloudera architect. This one is as well from any location. It's for 3 months, full-time gig as well. It requires the following skills like Hadoop, Cloudera, Node Services, AWS, Cognos, and Tableau. Read the description here to find out more details. And yeah, let me share the links of this with you. Okay. And next we have an APG full stack developer. I honestly didn't hear of this APG skill, but I'm sure it's a thing. Node.js and PostgreSQL. So once you have this and you're in any location that you're open to work 8 hours, full time per week, and for 6 months, you should apply to this gig. Or refer a friend if you know anyone. And I think these are all the gigs we have this week. Yeah, now what's coming up in June? So as we're end of May, June is ahead. We have a couple of other things going on. We have TCO 22 round B, algorithm round qualification on June 1st. Then we have another SRM on June 8th, SRM 831. We have a rapid development match coming on June 10th. We have a rookie SRM as well as a marathon match 137 on June 22 to 29. And then at the end of the month, we have another SRM 832. And this was all for today. So let me know if you have any questions. Or if you have any other suggestions for things you would like to see at Topcoder or how to improve things at Topcoder, definitely let us know. Yeah, Penna, thank you. So it looks like APG is an API gateway.
That sounds very cool.
Yeah, so it looks like it's Penna was saying it's a cool pattern where you have many APIs and you can put them all under a single gateway and also the usage control like throttling and sounds interesting.
Yeah, that solves a lot of problems. Actually, I think I can use it for something I'm playing with at this moment.
Nice.
Gotta look it up.
Yeah.
And hey, Penna, by the way, about well, Daniela or Penna, about the rapid development match.
Yeah.
Is there already a specific technology that is going to be involved in that? Because I remember the last skill builder was about blockchain. I liked it. I participated on that. If it's about blockchain, I think I may join.
I don't have any insight into it. Maybe Penna has.
Yeah, so far it's not on any particular technology. We are currently working on implementing the problems, and it's going to be like a basic statistics and probability, that kind of stuff this time. I mean, blockchain sounds like a great idea, so I think maybe we can prepare for it maybe in one of these coming months.
Yeah,
or at least see if it's feasible.
That would be cool.
I think it would be a really great topic.
Yeah, it would be cool. It's a hot topic. And by the way, how was it with this skill builder? I think there was a lot of participation. I saw a lot of registrants in there for the blockchain technology.
Penna? Sorry.
I really can't say. I didn't participate in that one.
Manager,
maybe
but
someone
we can
here
check. Did anyone compete in that skill builder? We can definitely check with Sister Chris and tell you about that more insights.
I think Ketan was playing that too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, well, if there's no more questions, I think we can wrap it up for today. Thank you all for joining and have a great week ahead.
Yeah,
See you,
it was
see
awesome.
you next
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.